Hi, little sis.
No.
Little sis.
Can I play with Grandma?
No.
Why?
Because I said so.
Well, I never get a toy.
Sure you do.
No.
I offered you to plan.
You want to go on that slide? You going on that slide?
You know what I wonder? If this thing, while I was playing my 3DS, if I turned on the 3D, it would pick up the 3D.
Everybody needs water.
Yeah, I would like a glass of water too.
Okay.
Whichever water is yours. I don't know what.
This one's mine.
Who's
Blank
one?
one.
Go like that. This one's mine. This one is
Did you go allergy testing? Hey GoPro fans, how's it going? Aunt Christine, Uncle Dan, if you're watching this, hope you're having a good day. No? Yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, probably. Alright, we'll see you later. I'm just gonna point it forward while we walk home. Do you think I should turn it off? I'm gonna turn it off. Bye. Bye-bye. You're awesome.
Here, wait. Spit take. Better one.
That was the worst spit take ever. What? I was really good. Yeah, I'm not turning it off.
You know the meat?
Ew.
You know the meat that I had? Yeah.
What? You guys stink. What?
Joey, I almost got your shoe.
Ew. What did you say? Okay, say something outrageous.
We're doing a bunch of spit take. We're getting all the nutrients out of our water. Now I have minty breath for some reason. Here, can I take a sip of water? Can I take a sip of your water to show me?
What?
Oh, I hit my nose.
You guys can't do a spit take right.
Okay, but don't do it that way so I'm not anywhere.
This is a spit take.
Can I have it?
No. What?
Is there one more water bottle in there? Is that yours? I think I'm done.
Yeah, but when you did it before, you did it like a big old
What did you say? What?
And then what happens?
You guys are really bad at spit takes. I'm the only one who can do it. But you,
garbage can around here?
yeah, there should be. Whoops. No, you're not. Better than mine? Really? No. Oh, whoops. No, one sec. You don't even know how to play kick the can. Alright, Kay, let's see. Kick the can. Okay. no, Nick, you gotta throw it away. Nick, look. Nick, look. There's a crane. What?
Are you burying your water bottle?
Buried treasure. Now take it and throw it away. Alright, let's go.
I abandoned you.
Throw it away.
Okay. There's a hole right there.
Yes, there is.
You haven't climbed on that.
I like bugs. I like bugs. Get it? I like bugs. I like bugs. Have you ever seen Yo Gabba Gabba? Nick Jr. They have this one song. It's called I Like Bugs, and they sing about how they like bugs. There. I think I can sing the whole song from memory. Believe it or not. Alright, let's go. Yeah, Mr. Ken. That's his name, Ken. I like bugs. I like bugs. I like bugs. I like bugs. What's that? That's an ant. What's that? That's an ant. And I'm scrolling the moth. Got it. Oh, I got. Stop. My moth.
I got it.
No, you didn't. I'm gonna catch this moth. Did I get him?
Yep. Got it.
Oh, I killed him.
Joe. No,
Oh.
dead.
No, I didn't.
Come on.
Alright, come on, guys. Just come on. I just hope they don't recover. I just hope I don't get hit by a car and then they have to record it on the GoPro. And then they recover it and it's like.
Wait, that can go underwater?
Yeah, I'm making. Alright, peeps. Since this is pretty much the end of our journey, it's basically just a ride home. I'm going to turn this off. I hope you have a great day.
No, you already did it.
Bye. I've already